Change your finances with discipline. Suze Orman's wisdom. Welcome to our channel. Today's video is all about transforming your financial life with insights from Suze Orman. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to refine your strategies, we'll cover essential tips and tricks to help you achieve financial discipline and freedom. Want to master your money like a pro? Stick around to learn Suze Orman's secrets. From budgeting basics to smart investing, we'll break down her tried and true methods. You'll walk away with actionable steps to take control of your finances and build a prosperous future. Suze Orman is a renowned financial advisor known for her disciplined approach. With decades of experience, she's helped countless individuals navigate their financial paths. Her advice is practical, straightforward, and geared towards making smart, informed decisions about money. Orman stresses the significance of having a disciplined financial mindset. She believes that financial success starts with a mindset shift. By adopting a disciplined approach, you can make better financial decisions, avoid pitfalls, and stay on track towards achieving your goals. Learn the essentials of budgeting according to Orman's principles. Budgeting is the cornerstone of financial discipline. Suze emphasizes creating a detailed budget that tracks income and expenses, allowing you to allocate funds wisely and ensure you're living within your means. Suze Orman emphasizes the importance of saving as a cornerstone of financial stability. She advocates for a disciplined approach to building a robust savings habit. By prioritizing savings, even before spending, individuals can ensure they have a safety net for unexpected expenses and future financial goals. Orman's saving strategies include automating your savings to make the process effortless. Setting up automatic transfers into a savings account ensures consistency and prevents the temptation to spend. This method helps in gradually accumulating wealth without the stress of manually setting aside money each month. Smart investing is another pillar of Orman's financial discipline. She advises diversifying investments to spread risk and increase potential returns. Understanding the basics of stocks, bonds, and other investment vehicles can empower individuals to make informed decisions, leading to steady growth in their financial portfolios. Debt management is crucial in Orman's financial philosophy. She recommends prioritizing high-interest debt first to minimize overall interest payments. Creating a debt repayment plan and sticking to it can help individuals regain control over their finances and reduce financial stress, paving the way for a more secure future. An emergency fund is vital for financial stability, according to Orman. She advises saving 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This fund acts as a financial buffer in case of unexpected events such as job loss or medical emergencies, providing peace of mind and financial security. Setting and achieving financial goals. The Orman way involves a clear plan and unwavering commitment. By breaking down large objectives into manageable steps, you can make steady progress. Orman emphasizes the importance of setting realistic, time-bound goals and regularly reviewing them to stay on track for financial success. Shifting your mindset towards financial discipline can transform your financial landscape. Orman suggests recognizing the difference between needs and wants and making conscious decisions to prioritize long-term benefits over short-term pleasures. This mindset shift fosters better money habits and paves the way for financial stability and growth. Controlling spending and avoiding unnecessary expenses are crucial for financial health. Orman advises scrutinizing every purchase and asking if it aligns with your financial goals. By adopting a more mindful approach to spending, you can prevent impulsive buys and ensure your money is used wisely. Tracking every expense is a cornerstone of Orman's financial advice. Keeping a detailed record of your spending habits helps identify areas for improvement and prevents overspending. This practice not only promotes accountability, but also provides valuable insights into your financial behavior, enabling better decision-making. Respecting your financial self involves recognizing your worth and making decisions that reflect your value. Orman believes that financial self-respect means refusing to compromise on your financial goals and maintaining integrity in your financial dealings. This principle fosters a healthy relationship with money and contributes to long-term financial well-being. Managing credit cards responsibly is crucial for financial health. Suze Orman advises using credit cards only for planned, necessary purchases and paying off the balance in full each month. This approach prevents interest accumulation and helps build a positive credit history without falling into the trap of debt. Living below your means is a cornerstone of financial discipline, according to Orman. It involves making conscious spending choices, prioritizing needs over wants, and saving the difference. This lifestyle fosters savings growth and financial stability, reducing the risk of falling into debt and promoting long-term wealth accumulation. Avoiding lifestyle inflation is essential as your income grows. Suze Orman encourages maintaining the same spending habits despite increased earnings. This practice allows for greater savings and investment opportunities, ensuring that income growth translates to financial security rather than fleeting luxury. Educating yourself on personal finance is pivotal. Suze Orman emphasizes the importance of continuous learning to stay informed about financial trends, investment opportunities, and money management strategies. Knowledge empowers you to make better financial decisions, avoid pitfalls, and optimize your financial growth and security. Disciplined financial practices are key to building wealth. Orman highlights the importance of consistent budgeting, saving, and investing. By adhering to a structured financial plan, you can steadily accumulate assets, generate passive income, and achieve long-term financial goals, ultimately leading to financial independence and security. Achieving financial independence requires a disciplined approach, focusing on building savings, reducing debt, and creating multiple income streams. Suze Orman emphasizes the importance of living below your means and making smart financial decisions. Consistent saving and investing can help you reach a point where you no longer rely on a paycheck. Thinking long-term is crucial for financial success. Suze Orman advocates for planning decades ahead, considering retirement, future healthcare costs, and potential economic shifts. By setting long-term goals and staying committed, you can navigate financial challenges more effectively and ensure a secure financial future for yourself and your family. Self-control is a cornerstone of financial discipline. Orman advises resisting impulsive purchases and prioritizing needs over wants. Building self-control helps you stick to your budget, avoid unnecessary debt, and make more thoughtful financial decisions. Over time, these habits can lead to significant financial stability and growth. Preparing for emergencies is essential for financial resilience. Orman recommends having an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses like medical bills or job loss. This fund acts as a financial safety net, providing peace of mind and preventing the need to incur debt during unforeseen circumstances. Discipline in investing is key to growing your wealth. Suze Orman advises diversifying your investment portfolio, understanding the risks involved, and staying informed about market trends. Consistent, disciplined investing, even in small amounts, can yield substantial returns over time, helping you achieve long-term financial goals. Understanding and managing financial risks involves identifying potential financial threats and preparing strategies to mitigate them. Suze Orman emphasizes that being aware of risks, such as market fluctuations, job loss, or unexpected expenses, is crucial. By planning ahead, you can safeguard your financial stability and avoid major setbacks. Regular financial checkups are essential for maintaining financial health. Orman recommends conducting periodic reviews of your budget, investments, and savings to ensure you're on track with your goals. These checkups help identify areas for improvement and ensure you're making informed decisions about your financial future. Consistency is key in financial management. Orman teaches that small, disciplined actions taken regularly can lead to significant financial growth over time. Whether it's saving a portion of your income or sticking to a budget, being consistent helps build positive financial habits and ensures long-term success. Avoiding debt traps requires vigilance and smart decision-making. Orman advises against taking on unnecessary debt and stresses the importance of understanding the terms and conditions of any loans or credit agreements. By being cautious and prioritizing paying off existing debt, you can avoid falling into financial pitfalls. Suze Orman's disciplined approach shaped her success by instilling a strong financial mindset and habits. Her journey from a waitress to a renowned financial advisor is a testament to the power of discipline. Orman's story inspires others to adopt her principles, proving that financial success is attainable with dedication and smart planning. Financial freedom, according to Suze Orman, is about having the liberty to make choices without financial constraints. It means living without fear of unexpected expenses and having the peace of mind that comes from knowing you're prepared for the future. Achieving this requires discipline, planning, and a commitment to financial health. Real-life examples of people transformed by Orman's advice illustrate the power of financial discipline. By following her principles, individuals have paid off massive debts, built substantial savings, and achieved financial independence. These stories serve as inspiration and proof that Orman's methods can lead to profound, positive changes in financial well-being. Common financial mistakes often stem from a lack of planning and impulse spending. Orman emphasizes the importance of avoiding these pitfalls by creating a budget, sticking to it, and thinking long-term. Recognizing and learning from these mistakes is crucial for anyone looking to improve their financial situation and achieve stability. Practicing mindful spending is a key element of Orman's financial philosophy. It involves being aware of your spending habits, making intentional choices, and prioritizing needs over wants. By adopting a mindful approach to spending, you can avoid unnecessary expenses and ensure that your financial resources are used wisely. Setting priorities is essential for achieving financial goals. Orman advises identifying what truly matters to you and aligning your financial decisions with these priorities. This focused approach helps you allocate resources effectively, stay motivated, and make progress toward your long-term financial objectives, ensuring a more secure and fulfilling future. Continuous financial learning is essential in a world where markets and economic conditions are always changing. Staying updated and informed helps you make smarter decisions and adapt to new financial challenges. Embrace a mindset of lifelong learning to keep your financial strategies effective and relevant. Maintaining overall financial health requires a balanced approach. It's not just about saving or investing, but about creating a comprehensive plan that includes budgeting, debt management, and future financial goals. Regularly assessing your financial situation helps ensure you're on the right track toward long-term stability. Recapping key points on financial discipline, it's clear that a disciplined approach encompasses budgeting, saving, investing, and continuous learning. These practices collectively contribute to a robust financial foundation. Consistency and self-control are critical in implementing these strategies effectively and achieving financial goals. One lesson learned from Suze Orman is that discipline is the cornerstone of financial success. Without it, even the best financial plans can fall apart. Discipline helps you stay focused on your goals and make informed decisions that contribute to your financial well-being and future security. Financial freedom is available to those who learn about it and work for it, says Suze Orman. This quote encapsulates the essence of financial discipline. Educate yourself, apply what you've learned, and stay committed. Financial freedom is not an overnight achievement, but a result of consistent effort and informed decision-making. If you found these tips helpful, like this video, share your idea, and subscribe to iSkillmind for more great content. Your support helps us create more valuable information to keep you motivated and informed. Join our community and stay updated with the latest tips and tricks for more active lifestyle.